School, and today I'll show you hands-on equations. To start, a blue pawn is x. A white pawn is the opposite of x, and together they make a pair of zeros.
Okay.
A red cube represents a positive number, and a green
Thanks
cube
for watching, guys.
represents a
I
negative
hope you
number.
enjoyed that
If
video.
they're the
Make
same,
sure to like and subscribe
they
and turn on notifications.
cancel out and make a pair of zeros. My first problem is 3x plus 10 equals 5x plus 2. To model that, we have 3 blue pawns plus 10 equals 5 blue pawns plus 2. Our first rule is you can take away the same from each side. So I'll take away 3 blue pawns from each side. I can also add the same thing to each side. So I can add 2 negative 2's to the same side, and this makes a pair of zeros. And then this makes 8. So the answer is 8 equals 2x, which is the same as 4 equals x, or 4 equals opposite of x. Our second problem is negative 10 plus x equals negative 3x plus 2. So this is how we model it. And to start off, we'll add the same thing to each side. This makes a pair of zeros, so we can take that off. And then we can add a negative 2 to each side, so that this is a pair of zeros. So our answer is negative 12 equals 4x. But to simplify that, we can do negative 3 equals opposite of x, or positive 3 equals x. Our last problem is 5 plus x plus negative 3x equals 3x plus negative 2x plus 1, negative 1. So first we'll take the same thing off from each side. So take that off and that off. And then I can add the same thing to each side. So I'll add that, and this makes a pair of zeros. And then I'll also add a positive 1 to each side. So that this makes a pair of zeros, and this is 6. So 6 equals 3x, or negative 6 equals opposite of 3x, and that's simplified to 2 equals 1x, and negative 2 equals opposite of it. Thanks for watching, and I hope you learned something new.